Hey G's, welcome back to Tyson's Alchemy. Today we're diving into something deeper than motivation, deeper than discipline. We're talking about your inner oracle. The world is obsessed with the future, scrolling for predictions, checking horoscopes, watching every conspiracy. But the truth is, the most accurate prediction of your future is hidden inside you. And today, I'm going to show you how to unlock it. The noise versus the knowing. We live in a world of noise. Every second, ads, notifications, opinions, content. Everyone's trying to tell you who you are, who you should be, and what's about to happen. But gee, the real signal, that comes from within. The most powerful version of you isn't found by looking outside. It's found by listening inside. That voice in your gut, that whisper in the silence. That's not your imagination. That's your inner oracle, the part of you that already knows. Your thoughts are spells. Here's where it gets real. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. It only responds to repetition, emotion, and intention. Every thought you repeat is a command. Every word you speak is a spell. You're either casting spells for your vision or curses based on fear, doubt, and past trauma. This is why self-hypnosis is so important. It's not woo-woo, it's wiring. It's how elite athletes see the win before the game even begins. It's how successful people stay calm in chaos. They've already programmed the outcome. How to unlock the oracle. Step 1. Silence the noise. Spend 10 minutes a day in complete stillness. No phone, no talking, no music, just you and your mind. That's where the oracle whispers. Step 2. Write from the future. Journal not what's happening, but what you want to happen. I am powerful. I have complete control of my destiny. Visualize it, write it down, make it real. Step 3. Program yourself nightly. Before sleep is your most powerful state. Replay affirmations. Use self-hypnosis. Visualize the life that's already on its way to you. Because gee, your subconscious listens when your ego goes quiet. You are already the oracle. You don't need a fortune teller. You don't need another guru. You are the prophecy. The future doesn't come to you, you create it. Your vision, your energy, your belief. That's the magic. That's the software you run every single day. So ask yourself, what am I programming into my reality? The world will try to program your mind with fear, but you've got something they don't want you to know. The real power is already within. Your vision is the code, your thoughts are the keyboard, and your subconscious, that's the operating system of your reality. So remember G's, self-hypnosis is the key.